If the download option is not showing in Google Drive, don't worry, this usually comes down to permissions, browser issues, or a simple account glitch. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get the download button back and access your files properly. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Google Drive fixes. Let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to drive.google.com. Sign into the Google account that you use for Drive, and then open the file that you're trying to download. Now, here's the first thing to check. If the file was shared with you by someone else, the owner may have disabled downloading, printing, and copying. In that case, the download option may not appear at all. If you're seeing that behavior, you'll need to ask the owner to change the sharing settings and allow download access. This is one of the most common reasons the download option is missing, especially with shared documents, PDFs, and restricted files. Next, if the permissions look fine, the issue may be caused by your browser cache or cookies. Sometimes corrupted browser data can hide menu options or prevent Google Drive from loading correctly. If you're using Chrome, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard to open the clear browsing data window. Then make sure you select cached images and files and also clear cookies if needed. Choose the appropriate time range, then click Delete Data. After that, reload Google Drive and check the file again. In many cases, that alone brings the download option back. If the problem is still there, try opening Drive in an incognito or private window. In Chrome or Edge, press Ctrl, Shift, and N. On Safari, use Command, Shift, and N. Then sign in again and test the file. Incognito mode is useful because it disables most extensions and uses a fresh session, so if the download button shows up there, that usually means one of your browser extensions is causing the problem. An ad blocker or privacy extension can sometimes interfere with Google Drive's interface, so this test can save a lot of time. If Incognito does not fix it, the next step is to try a different browser. Open Google Drive in Firefox, Edge, or Safari and see whether the download option appears there. If it works in another browser, then the issue is likely specific to the browser you normally use. At that point, you can update the browser, disable extensions one by one, or reset browser settings if needed. Also, make sure you're actually looking at a file type that should be downloadable. Some files, previews, or restricted shared items may not offer a visible download button in the same way regular files do. If you're on a mobile device, the interface may also look a little different, so try checking on desktop if possible. To quickly recap the fix order, start with permissions, then clear cache and cookies, then use incognito mode, and finally test another browser. That sequence solves most Google Drive download option issues without any complicated steps. If you want to keep seeing simple tech tutorials like this, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.